Prime and composite numbers. All the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. All the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. All the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. All the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. All the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Here the numbers 2, 3 and 5 have only factors 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers, or the numbers having exactly two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, etc. are some of the examples of prime numbers. Here you can see in this list, other than 2, all other numbers are odd numbers. Therefore, you can tell that 2 is the only even prime number. Now, all the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. All the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. All the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. All the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Here the numbers 4, 6, 8 and 9 has factors more than 1. The numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now we know that the number 1 has only one factor, the number itself. Therefore, 1 is considered as neither a prime number nor a composite number. Common factors. Let's see how we can find common factors of any 2 or 3 numbers using an example. So here I am taking two numbers 6 and 12. So first let's list out all the factors of 6 and 12. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So here you can find the common numbers or common factors of both 6 and 12 as 1 is common, 2, 3, 6. So we have here common factors of 6 and 12 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now let's see one more example. Let's find the common factors of 4, 6 and 12. For that we have to list out all the factors of 4, 6 and 12. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So here you can see that the numbers common or the factors common here are 1 and 2. So we can tell that the common factors of 4, 6 and 12 are 1 and 2 itself. So I hope you understood how to find the common factors of 2 or more numbers. Now let's learn about common multiples. So let's learn by doing an example. So I'm taking two numbers 2 and 4 here. So let's find the common multiples of 2 and 4. In order to find the common multiples, you have to write the multiples of 2 and 4. Here I am going to write the first 10 multiples of both 2 and 4. So the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Again, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. We have to find the common numbers in the multiples of 2 and in the multiples of 4 listed here. So if we find the common numbers, we have 4 is common, 8 is common, 12 is common, 16 is common, 20 is common, etc. So here the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Like this we can find by listing out all the multiples of the given number and finding the common numbers. So I hope you understood how to find the common multiples of any 2 or 3 numbers. Next, let's see what are coprime numbers. For that, first let's find out the common factors of, let's say, 4 and 9. Here the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Also the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So here we can see that only 1 is a common factor for 4 and 9. So such numbers whose common factor is only 1 are called coprime numbers. Therefore 4 and 9 is known as coprime numbers. Let's see one more example. Let's find the common factors of 3 and 8. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. As 3 is a prime number, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here you can see that the common factor of 3 and 8 is only 1. So we can tell that 3 and 8 is a coprime number. So the numbers which has only 1 as a common factor are called coprime numbers. 4, 9, 3, 8, 5, 12 are some of the examples of coprime numbers. So I hope you all understood the concept of prime and composite numbers, common factors and common multiples, and what are coprime numbers. So thank you children. See you in the next class.